Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this series where I will be sharing with you some of the workouts you can do with different pieces of equipment that you can have at home. In this video, I have some workouts done with a Bosu ball. Bosu balls can be found at a gym, mostly in these studios where the instructors have classes, but also you can find them in the area at the gym where they have either space for you to stretch or do core workout. So if you decide to buy one of these pieces of equipment, they range between the $50 all the way to $200. In my case, the one I have, it costs $130, and I believe it's a pro Bosu ball. And I like those better. So it depends on the brand and the quality, so make sure you do your research before purchasing one of these Bosu balls. Remember that you actually do some workouts where you actually hop on this Bosu ball. So make sure you get something that is great quality so you won't be hurting yourself. These Bosu balls are so much fun. You can do so much with them and anyone can use it as long as you use them properly. With this being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be sharing more videos like this, so don't worry. If you buy this piece of equipment, I will be showing you more workouts you can do. If you have any questions for me, please don't forget to leave them comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, all you have to do is give a click to that red button in this corner and it will make sure you don't miss any of my workouts. So with this being said, I hope you guys enjoy. I send you lots of besos and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Okay guys, let's start with this first movement, which is Superman. Make sure your hands are flat on the ground, your knees are touching and rested on the ground. As you come up, you extend your arms and your legs, squeezing your glutes, keeping your neck neutral, looking down. Don't be looking forward or up. And I should have said at the beginning, make sure your belly button is right at the top of the Bosu ball. That makes it more challenging on your balance and more comfortable than being on the ground. And the same with crunches. Make sure the lower back and the higher part of your glutes are resting on the side of the Bosu ball. This gives you way more of a range of motion while doing crunches. Make sure you breathe as you come down, and as you come up, you exhale. Way more comfortable on your lower back. And now we're gonna go to bridges. Make sure your whole feet are on the Bosu ball. As you push up, try to focus on pushing through your heels, and that way you make sure your glutes are the ones working and not your spine as you're going up into a bridge. Make sure you breathe as you're at the bottom and you exhale as you go up. And those hands, make sure they're glued to the ground. Now we're going with lateral hops. Keep one foot on the top of the Bosu ball and go side to side, hopping as fast as you can or you will like to. This is a good warm-up or a great workout to add to your high-intensity routine. If you don't have very much of a balance, make sure you slow down. Don't go crazy on it. Keep it safe, and you'll be able to increase speed as you get used to it.